Hello, I'm Greg Nielsen, Service Technician with Environmental Tillage Systems. Today we're going to talk about end of season maintenance on your Warrior. If you have a dry machine such as this one is, we're going to start bottom to top, cleaning off any of the residue that's left as far as large fertilizer prels or dirt. We suggest you blow off everything with air. With the meters, you're going to remove all the doors, inspect all the doors to make sure the seals are in good shape. You're going to scrape and blow off inside and underneath the meters, as well as inside the chambers. Get all those big chunks out of there, get all that buildup out, make sure that's as clean as it can be. Once you've got everything removed with air in that area, you're going to go down to the cart frame, check in there, blow off any of that heavy dirt. Then we're going to go to the back toolbar of the machine and do the same thing. The high buildup areas are the wings, hinge area, and the tilt plate area. Once we've got everything blown off really good, then we're going to start with the power washer. Just to get all that fertilizer grime off, we would like to recommend soap and hot water in your power washer. Start at the top, blow it on through, triple rinse like you would a sprayer. Come down here into these meters, power wash really good, get all the residue off there. Be careful of any electronics. We don't want to blow pressure into those. So once you've used your soap and water to wash everything off, kind of inspect what you've done, make sure you've got all the areas cleaned out. Take note of the tongue. We can get stuff built up on the tongue just from calibrating. And then you're going to triple rinse it. And if it's clean, you don't need to put anything in the meter area. It's stainless. You can leave it alone. If you want to put something in there, you can use a WD-40 or something like that just to help preserve it a little bit. When you're cleaning out, make sure you get the high buildup areas around the hinges and in the front of the row units or where they attach to the toolbar, as well as around the tilt plate area. As you get to the back to clean out the row unit areas, we're going to want to focus on a few places. At the inside of the CC tube, we want to blow in there with air and then also with water to help flush out any debris that get in there. We're going to check the CC or the fertilizer tubes to make sure those are all cleaned out. And we're also going to want to check the hub caps, bolts, and the oil plug on the hubs. Just remembering that any dirt on this machine has fertilizer in it. You're going to want to get it blown off first and then power washed off with soap and water and then triple rinse it. When you're on the top of the machine, I want you to look into the fan shroud under the screen. Make sure that the fan fins are clean. If they're not clean, you'll have to remove the cover and blow all the fan debris out. With the liquid machines, we want you to rinse them out with warm water, triple rinsing them, then running all of the systems so we get water through the pump, through the visi gauges, and then out through the nozzles until it's nice clear water. Drain that water, put about 50 gallons worth of RV antifreeze in, and then run all the systems again so the visi gauges get RV antifreeze in them and you get RV antifreeze out to the row unit nozzles.
Thanks for watching this service video. Call Environmental Tillage Systems with any questions or to order parts. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to view more videos. Find additional information on SoilWarrior.com.